Hello guys, we are TNtricking. My name is Noah.
And my name is Tibo. And right now we're at the beautiful lake where we are going to do flips today. Flip check.
Yes. We got our mini trampoline, so we can do also flips on that.
Of course. Backflip on this little ledge. Noah is going to
Also do a backflip.
So my plan was doing a front flip of this little tree. But I don't
Broken
know.
tree.
What?
Give me your hand. I will set you up.
No.
Jump on it.
I can do this. What the fuck? No. Wait a second, man. I can climb on this. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
The
Alright.
challenging part is that it is really high. So I'm gonna do a Webster. Oh no. And it's a dead tree, so it's a bit dangerous.
Go for
I'm
it.
gonna do it. Ready?
Yes.
Whoa. 3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Nailed it.
So, Tibo has a nice plan. Tell us.
Yes, we will maybe come back with swimming clothes another day because the temptation to go into the water is really high.
Yeah.
Then we take a mini tramp and find a nice spot to jump into the water.
Look at this water, boys.
What the boys?
Beautiful.
Oh,
It's beautiful out
beautiful.
here. No.
TNtricking.
Alright, so we did some flips here with the mini tramp, with the little tree over there. And now we're moving on to the forests and set up our mini trampoline there.
Yes.
And do also flips in the forest. So
That's a good idea.
also a special thanks for the 3,000 followers on Instagram.
We're really thankful about that.
Yes. You can follow us here. We're at the sandy place where I did my backflip there. And now we set up the mini trampoline there.
Alright. We don't have to do everything with the mini tramp, of course.
Nope.
But now,
Are you going to do a flip?
of course.
First, yeah,
Sand.
set the trampoline a little bit to the ground.
If you're not careful, you hit the ground with this tramp. That's not what we want.
No, let's go.
No. Go then.
Alright.
Oh, whoa.
Ooh. I'm going for a side flip.
Alright. Stall side flip and maybe after that side full.
Ooh.
Or front full. Let's see it right now.
Yeah.
Why do I always put my hands on the ground? Tell us what you got. Hello? Noah? Oh, there you are.
Hi.
Hi, it's you.
It's me. Okay, the boy is going for a Randy.
Randy, are you crazy? I'm going for front full, then maybe trying for Rudy. Randy, why not Adolf? Eh?
Alright.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Ooh, big fail.
Ow!
Are you alright?
No, my ass hurts.
Ooh.
Ow! Why can I do that?
Alright. Second try.
I'm going again. Now not front full because my front full was way too slow. Side full. I'm first gonna try for like turning a little bit farther than side flip. I hope I don't die.
Let's see.
Because the sand is really hard, it's wet. Nope!
Not for today.
Noah's plan is front flip and a little line.
Yeah. Round off. Back handspring.
That's the line. Just do it.
Right, go. Ready?
Yes.
Ooh, a little
Yeet.
sketchy. I'm going for a back handsprings. I think 3.
3. Okay, that's doable for you. Oh, 5. Insane. Yes.
Tibo gonna do a front flip of that
I hope
little
I don't break
tree
my
there.
back. Yes.
Good luck.
That little.
Alright, boy. Let's go.
Quick round of backflip.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Alright, guys. Thank you for watching.
I hope you enjoyed our video.
And make sure you subscribe. Bye.
You.